If you are watching this video, then you and I must be thankful to 2020 because we know quite a few people could not make it for 2021. And when I really reflect on 2020, it has been a year of impactful learnings and transformational changes. And I really took one more learning apart from, of course, 2020 has taught us that how being alive and healthy is so important. And apart from that, I learned that I started valuing my time than earlier the way I used to take it granted and I used to spend time here and there. So what I learned is time once gone won't come back. Where you invest your time today, it actually decides where you will be enjoying your time tomorrow. And one of the powerful statements which shook me up is you are the average of 5 you spend most of your time with. Don't you think so? My name is Vittal Mane. I'm an engineer, podcaster, author and trainer, NLP life coach, and I do train on how to create your online presence, how to become a digital coach and how to become an influencer. So if you are on this video first time, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and be part of this community where you will learn a lot of new insightful trainings on my future videos as well. So when I am talking about time, I really started choosing or investing my time with right people and right activities. And eventually, I could really climb few steps towards my vision, towards my aspiration. So today, actually, you are watching this video. You can call this my studio, training room, or my new home office here in Navi Mumbai, Panvel, Hiranandani, Fortune City. And this is my second office apart from our offices in UAE. Second most exciting part which I really want to share with you is I've actually published my co-authored book, Take 2 at Life, and this is available on Amazon now. Even if you are not fond of reading or you don't read books usually, still I would recommend you being on this video, please order this copy, your copy, and have this book in your bookshelf. And I will be sharing a link where you can actually click and go to Amazon page and order this book. This book having 25 inspiring stories from 25 incredible experts and life coaches from 8+ different nationalities. So we invested our time to come together and explore the journey of drafting a story, writing it and publishing it in a book. So we walked that path and now this book is available on Amazon. I am just going to read out one small paragraph from my story, which is Little Sapling. Now this paragraph says that I am on page 184, and so I too invested my time in growing my saplings by nurturing my skills, sacrificing weekends to develop myself as an NLP life coach and an online digitalization expert. Today, just like Gatu, I am in my 40s, peacefully retired from the 9 to 5 day job. I recline in my home office, feeling truly blessed to have worked with 3 renowned organizations in oil and gas industry. So this is the paragraph from the book, and you might have heard me in 2020. I have done master classes on 7 steps to manifest your vision. So I talked about manifestation and working on your vision. I never knew that I'll be able to read out the paragraph from my own book about manifestation and time sitting here in my home office. I think there cannot be a more true or real life example than this. And that's where I really shared all the journey which I had of manifestation through those 7 steps. Now moving forward in 2021, I'm going to do master classes on digital lifestyle and how to become a digital coach and digital influencer and create your own presence. So on 30th and 31st January, I'm going to do my first free master class on digital lifestyle. So if you are watching this video and you really want to invest your time with right people and right activities and spend some more time with me, then I really invite you to register. I will share a link along with this video where you can register for this masterclass. Register for this masterclass, attend this masterclass to learn what is it all about digital lifestyle. This masterclass I will cover how e-learning industry is going to be a $325 billion industry tomorrow as per Forbes, and how it is easy to become a digital influencer or digital trainer just like me. Because I came from background of mechanical engineering and served oil and gas service sector for almost 20 plus years, but still I could learn, implement and create this for you all, because that's what the purpose behind doing this. That I went through the struggle and learning, but I really wanted to create an easy path which can really make your life easy, and you can really learn those steps and become a digital influencer and create your own digital presence on an online platform. And this can really add one more financial source to your journey as well. So please go ahead and register yourself for this masterclass and attend this masterclass on 30th or 31st January. Now, the circumstances around the virus and these situations are going to be there for some more time, and you will agree with me with this. But the importance is going and moving forward, navigating through and finding the right path towards the success, towards where actually you want to reach in your career as well. And that's where I really want to help you through the masterclass and trainings what I'm going to conduct in future from 2021. So please register and be there inside the masterclass, which can really help you change your life as well. So just to summarize, give importance to your time and start making right choices where you invest your time with activities and surround yourself with right people. Do order your copy and have it in your bookshelf. Read this book, and please give your ratings on Amazon and share your reviews on Amazon as well, so that it will help us to reach more and more people, and that's the purpose behind publishing this book as well. And third, do register for the masterclass and be there inside the masterclass. Now lastly, I really want to thank each and every one of you from bottom of my heart for helping me, supporting me in my journey. And I really want to be that person who will be supporting you and helping you with everything around the digital lifestyle and through my trainings and coaching what I'll be doing from now onwards. So let's see that year 2021 we will together create an incredible legacy of beautiful mankind with only religion as a humanity and single nation with no boundaries. So love you all. Do take care of yourself and stay safe and healthy, and I will see you inside the masterclass.